You know, I wasn't concerned about getting an implant. I have friends who have them. My mother-in-law's had a couple. That wasn't a concern, but I was in a time crunch. I was really pleasantly surprised when I called and they said they could do it all in a day and they could see me pretty quickly. And that was my priority. And it wasn't until I got there I realized the reason that they were going to be able to do it in a day was because it was going to be robot assisted. That I didn't have to do a lot of ramp up time and a pre-visit and a treatment plan. They were going to be able to get the 3D x-rays and do the surgery and get the temporary replacement tooth all in the same day. So I was really pleased. It didn't matter to me how they were going to do it as long as they met my goal of that. So when I got there and they explained they were going to be using a robot, I just thought it was really cool. And it seemed to me, well, of course you would want robotic assistance for something when you need such a precise set for the implant. You want the measurement to be exactly right. You want it to be exactly straight. There'd be humans there assisting with it. I had no trepidation, and I thought it was wonderful that they had found a way to make this procedure, which even though it's not bad, nobody looks forward to, that they had found a way to make it so much more efficient and with less trouble for the patient. And again, the one visit thing was really huge. I thought that was just great that they could do it in a day. And everybody I've told is surprised by that. Because everybody talks about like a minimum of 3 visits often for an implant, and I did it all at once. It's fabulous. You know, when I think about this being offered as an option, I can't imagine, having had the robotic surgery, why anybody would choose the traditional instead. I mean, the doctors and the staff have more time and attention on you and what's going on with you. But you know, I couldn't wait to talk about it. I was all over Twitter. I had a robot, a dental robot, and my friends are all a bunch of geeks like, really, you had a dental robot? That is so cool.